Before we dive in, a quick note. The story you're about to see is a composite case study. That means it's built from real situations, real trades, and real market data. But the person and the details are fictional. No real individual is being portrayed. This is designed to show you exactly how the bypass capital viability scan works in the real world, using the kinds of scenarios we see every day. The numbers, the market conditions, the challenges, all grounded in reality. The name and the face, those are stand-ins for the thousands of people out there in exactly this situation. Now let's get into it.
All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a real bypass capital viability scan report to show you exactly how macro-level data and micro-level action combine to expose a highly profitable local market gap. If you've ever wondered how to find the perfect niche for a trades business, this is going to be fascinating. We're looking at a real assessment for an irrigation entrepreneur named Jose, based right in Scottsdale, Arizona. We'll be walking through the structured logic of this analysis in 6 quick steps. First, the verdict on his market gap. Then, the local Scottsdale reality check, followed by the 80-20 positioning pivot, his licensing and funding readiness, the 30-day action plan, and finally, what this all means for your own viability scan.
All right, Section 1, the verdict, market gap found.
So, to build the foundation for Jose's entire strategy, we've got to look at his score first. He scored a massive 4 out of 5 on the bypass viability gauge. Now, in this system, a 4 places him squarely in what they call the market gap territory. Since this is a Tier 1 major market, that score is practically flashing green lights. It means full throttle. When you see a 4, it means you found a legitimate, documented gap in the market where speed to market isn't just an advantage, it's absolutely everything. But hey, a number needs evidence, right?
Just look at the exact evidence driving that high score. This isn't based on some hunch about lawn care. No, it's driven by Scottsdale's Level 2 water restrictions. This is a strict legal mandate that's fundamentally changing the irrigation business out there. We're talking citations starting at $250 for a residential first offense and going all the way up to $2,500 for commercial properties. That is a massive wave of forced, urgency-driven demand. Homeowners and HOAs don't just want to upgrade their irrigation, they are legally required to do it.
Which brings us to Section 2, the local Scottsdale reality check.
You know, a high-level mandate doesn't really mean much unless you understand the boots-on-the-ground reality. And this data brilliantly illustrates the true scarcity moat that Josie has the opportunity to build. On one side, you have massive rebate potential. We're talking up to $50,000 for HOAs just for turf removal and water conservation upgrades. On the other side, you've got dozens of general operators. The report actually names established competitors like Allegiance Water Services and Sprinkler Doctors. So yeah, it's a crowded market for fixing broken pipes. But here is the catch. There are only 5 certified landscape water managers in all of Arizona. Literally, just 5. So when an HOA is staring down steep fines and they need a certified expert to unlock a $50,000 rebate, they literally have almost no one to call.
This totally exposes what the V-scan specifically calls the big guy weakness. Those established competitors we just mentioned, they're volume operators. They fix broken sprinkler heads. They install basic systems for residential homes. They simply aren't equipped to navigate complex water audits, generate conservation action plans, or manage these tricky rebate applications. That high-margin advisory layer is a massive blind spot for the established players, and that leaves the door wide open for a specialist.
Let's look at the converging regulatory forces at play here because it's like a perfect storm. The Arizona Department of Water Resources has mandated a 30 to 40% reduction in landscaping water. And you can't cheat the system because Scottsdale uses AMI smart meters that automatically flag off scheduled consumption. But there's a carrot alongside the stick. Commercial accounts can earn up to a $3,000 credit on their bill for hitting a 25% reduction. The kicker, though, is that to get these rebates and credits, the mandatory action requires qualified contractors. So any operator who steps into this space is walking right into a mandatory, urgency-driven market with money literally waiting to be claimed by their clients.
Moving on to Section 3, the 80-20 positioning pivot.
Knowing this landscape, the report gives Jose the exact positioning pivot he needs to win. If you look at the standard commodity sprinkler repair business on the left, it's totally reactive. You're generating maybe $75 to $150 a visit with zero recurring relationship. Honestly, it's a grind. But if you pivot your focus to specialize in HOA water audits and rebate management, it completely transforms the ticket math. Suddenly, we're talking about $2,500 to $8,000 per engagement. Plus, it becomes a recurring annual relationship because you're monitoring their ongoing compliance.
So, Jose's new positioning statement isn't just, hey, I fix sprinklers. It becomes Scottsdale's smart irrigation specialist. He positions himself as the trusted advisor specifically around compliance and rebate navigation. See, Scottsdale's rebate program requires pre-inspection, a notice to proceed, and highly specific documentation protocols before they hand out a single dime. By stepping in and managing that confusing administrative headache, the paperwork that volume installers won't touch with a 10-foot pole, Jose guarantees water savings and easily justifies a massive premium for his services. Next up is Section 4, Licensing and Funding Readiness.
Of course, an amazing niche on paper still requires execution in the real world. The vScan report validates that Jose has an incredibly strong profile to launch this. He's already got 3 to 5 years of field experience and a highly manageable lean startup budget of between $5,000 and $25,000. Just look at the key needs: a service vehicle, some basic smart controller inventory, and insurance. Because this is a high-margin advisory model, his primary upfront investment is really just his time and certification rather than buying massive, expensive, heavy equipment. Now, the single most critical credential he needs is the Arizona Registrar of Contractors CR21 license. That license is basically the ultimate gatekeeper to this highly lucrative commercial and HOA market.
And when he's ready to scale and needs some working capital or equipment financing, the report outlines exactly why specialized funding is so crucial. Traditional banks can be a massive brick wall for startup operators, usually just burying you in paperwork. But the vScan highlights that specialized alternatives like Bypass Capital are built specifically for the trades. We're talking higher approvals, fast funding in days rather than months, and zero mountain to bank paperwork. It ensures Jose knows exactly where he stands when he's ready to hit the gas and accelerate his capacity.
That brings us to Section 5, the 30-day action plan.
Ideas and funding are great, sure, but execution is absolutely everything. This step-by-step roadmap starts the clock right now. This week, his one required action is to register for the free Scottsdale Water Smartscape training. The city literally recommends that HOAs hire contractors with this exact training. Within 30 days, he needs to submit that CR21 license application and secure his first direct conversation with an HOA property manager. By the 60 to 90-day mark, the goal is to secure his first independent contract and safely transition from his day job to a full-time independent operation. It's a completely clear, realistic runway. But the report also delivers this absolutely crucial, honest warning. Urgency-driven demand won't last indefinitely. HOAs and commercial properties that upgrade their systems today aren't going to need this service again for years. In the trades, timing is literally everything. If you wait, you lose your market position. By establishing himself as the go-to specialist during this current compliance wave, Jose creates a protective moat. We're talking relationships, reviews, and a proven rebate track record that will make him incredibly hard to displace later. Urgency is his absolute best sales tool right now, but he has to act fast.
Finally, Section 6, your own viability scan score.
We've just seen how powerful an honest, data-backed look at the market was for Jose, pointing him straight at the most lucrative gap in his city. So this leaves us with one final, provocative question. If a customized, data-backed report can do this for one specific trade in one specific city, exposing a massive, high-margin opportunity that was basically hidden in plain sight, what hidden gap is waiting to be uncovered in your local market? No two operators are in the exact same situation, and your opportunity might look completely different than Jose's. But if you've been sitting on your own idea, it might just be time to find out what 5 minutes and a real look at your market could give you. Find out for yourself at bypasscapital.com/vscan.